What is a PLC? A programmable logic controller, PLC, is a type of computer-based control system that is commonly used in industrial environments to monitor and control equipment and processes. The main components of a PLC include a central processing unit, CPU, input/output, I/O, modules, power supply, communication interface, memory, and the programming device or terminal that comes with the software. Looking at the above images, one can be able to identify the type of module using the prefix. For example, PS stands for power supply. CM stands for communication module. AO stands for analog output module. AQ stands for analog output module. D stands for digital input. DO stands for digital output. However, PLCs also come with optional intelligent modules that can be used for complex processes like counting, angle measurement, etc. Here is a more detailed explanation of the components of a PLC. 1. Central processing unit, CPU. This is the brain of the PLC and is responsible for executing the program and making control decisions. It typically includes a microprocessor, memory, and a clock. 2. Input/output, I/O, modules. These modules are used to interface with the equipment and devices being controlled. The inputs allow the PLC to receive signals from sensors and other devices, while the outputs allow the PLC to control actuators and other equipment. 3. Memory. This is used to store the program and data. The program is the set of instructions that the PLC follows to perform its control tasks. The data includes information such as the current value of process variables, the status of equipment, and other information that the PLC uses to make control decisions. 4. Power supply. This component provides the electrical power necessary to operate the PLC. It typically includes a transformer, rectifiers, and filters. 5. Communication interface. This component allows the PLC to communicate with other devices, such as a computer, HMI, human-machine interface, or other PLCs. This communication can be done through serial or Ethernet communication protocols. 6. Programming device. This device is used to program the PLC. This can be a computer with specialized software or a handheld programming device. Examples of types of signals that can be connected to a PLC include analog signals, such as temperature, pressure, and flow measurements. Digital signals, such as on/off status of equipment or limit switches. Serial communication signals, such as RS-232 or RS-485. Examples of instruments that can be connected to a PLC include RTDs, resistance temperature detectors, which are used to measure temperature, control valves, which are used to control the flow of fluids in a process. SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition systems, which are used to monitor and control processes remotely. In summary, a PLC is a control system that uses a central processing unit, input/output modules, memory, a power supply, and a communication interface to monitor and control equipment and processes. The input/output modules allow it to communicate with sensors and actuators. The memory is used to store the program and data. The power supply provides the necessary power to run the system, and the programming device is used to program the PLC. Thanks for tuning in to Control and Calibration Central. We hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for even more expert tips and tricks in the world of control and calibration. See you next time.